38, 38, 39. Three service off, 39. 40 counts and out of bed. 40 counts and out of iron. 40 counts and out of bed. 40. 41. 40.
Take you through here. We're going to show you the vehicles here. Hope you enjoy this. Check out what's straight ahead. It's the Bachman Ferrari Collection from Phil Bachman in Greenville, Tennessee. We're going to take you through and show you this collection. This entire collection is going to be sold at no reserve. One of his most famous deals was he would actually order Ferraris in red and yellow. You can see he has the matching luggage to go with it. Again, this collection will no longer be a collection after this deal here. It actually will go to new owners. You see they're detailing them, getting them ready now to go across the block. All Ferraris with the exceptions of a couple, which is Alfa Romeos. He's got two Ferrari LaFerraris, and you say absolutely stunning. See, this in here is a hybrid.
Samete was a young man. He was in high school and my parents in Italy for the first time.
Here's one of the Alphas.
Samete translated from English to Italian for my parents. It just so happened that Samete's family business was producing the luggage from Ferrari.
And over here is the second Alfa Romeo. Here's another Testarossa in his collection. Two of them. One red, one yellow, as usual. About a Ferrari FXX race car. This was as rough as it gets as a race car. Right here. This was the supercar when it came out. Phil Bachman's collection resided in Greenville, Tennessee.
One component of a puzzle, part of a puzzle, made by a couple, Phil Bachman, a visionary couple that wanted to come up with unique pieces and to represent their love for the brand, the Ferrari brand, and to come up with things that no one else could make.
This is right outside of his warehouse in Greenville, Tennessee. Is where this was filmed.
It's an incredible, unique opportunity.
Right at the foot of the Appalachian Mountains.
And for Mecum to be representing the Bachman collection puts Mecum's involvement with European exotica, and most especially with all things Ferrari, at an entirely different. You're going to hear about the Toro volume and the Toro volume and Kissimmee and the industry push. You're going to hear all those things. But I think the lasting success is in 5 years or 10 years when somebody says, I was there when this was collection.
It will be emotionally challenging. I'm learning to posture myself from a perspective.
This is Phil Bachman's son.
Remembering my parents throughout the process, remembering the family fun we had through those many years, and taking those memories with me into the future.
There's the family.
Really the most important part of the collection as I look back on it.
The Bachman Ferrari Collection is sure to be one of the show-stopping highlights of the 2026 Mecum auction schedule. And of course, it will take place at the featured event, January 6th through the 18th at Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee, Florida, the world's largest collector car auction. I, for one, can't wait to see them cross the block. I hope to see you there.
Coming up here, you actually see some of Phil Bachman's dealership sales. This is Phil Bachman Honda in Kingsport, Tennessee. This came right off his dealership whenever they sold it. Sales and service. Here you can see Greene County Bank, again, Greenville, Tennessee. So he does have some local art on display that'll go for sale as well. And these are other brands that he actually sold at his dealership in Greenville, Tennessee, before it was sold as well. And all of this right here was in his warehouse in Greenville, where he kept all of his Ferraris. There you have it. We just took you through here and showed you the car. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Be sure to check back for more great content from Mecum. See you guys on the next one. Safe travels as always.
70 pound better down 70, 70 bid, 100 70 pound better down 70 pound better, yes, 70 pound better down 70 bid, down 70 pound better down 2, 72 pounds and dollars around here, 70 pounds, 72, 70 pound better down 2, 70 pound better down 72 pounds and dollars, anybody else? So 70 pounds and dollars, so.